난 모를 거야. 아마 날 모를 거야. 웃고 있는 내 모습은.
What are you doing, Harry? Hey everyone! Oh no! So it's been such a long time since we've last done a video. We've come out because it's a lovely day and obviously restrictions are loosening off now, and we thought we'd have a nice picnic. Myra and Sydney. Yes, we've come for a picnic at Cannock, one of our favourite places. Just like being in the forest. There we go. Beautiful, aren't my finger? Yeah, so a lot's happened since we last spoke. We hit 600 on the channel, which we're really pleased about. And obviously we want to try and work our way this year up to 1,000 subscribers. So fingers crossed. Yeah, so we're just going to enjoy a few hours out in the forest, have a little walk, picnic. We bought a frisbee and stuff, so we'll have a little play with that. So we're going to take you along on our journey today. Sydney, say hello. Where are we? You can speak. We're in the woods. Where are we? We're not at the beach, we're at the woods. Oh no! Did you have a little fall? Oh, there we go. Might as well look after you. Right?
Careful with the brakes.
I can't break.
And there's Maya.
Yeah, they won't. They're quite strong.
Be careful.
I want to jump down, but I don't want to. Maya, look, there's a bigger tree.
You do a pull up on that one, Maya.
See how long you can stay up. Go, lift your legs.
It's gonna break.
When should we start counting? Harry, do it. Can you swing on it? See if Harry can do it.
I'm trying to reach.
I can't even reach.
Just jump onto it.
It might help you. Harry's cheating. He's holding on to another one. Where are you going, Sydney?
Keep walking away.
What's on the floor? Can you see?
Pine cones.
Well, there's pine cones. Daddy's having a go now. Showing off. Can you do that, Maya?
No, I can't.
Go on, pick yourself up.
Oh, Sydney
Good.
found you.
Just found a little tree and it's covered in ladybugs. Just having a little look. Looks a bit uneven over there. So we've walked straight round. I think we're going to go over to there, right? It's like a little picnic area. Really cool. Harry's twisted his ankle apparently. Harry's struggling because when he fell over he hurt himself, didn't you, Harry?
Take it easy.
And then we've got another one who's run down there. It's quite steep and she's on the floor because she's fell over. Oh, here he comes. There's nothing really wrong with him. Look at him running. Sydney, what are you doing?
Don't go down again.
There's Harry with his stiff leg.
All of a sudden got better.
Yeah, he's better now apparently. I'll zoom in for you.
I'm Maya, so better.
Maya's beat him. Harry left about 5 minutes ago. Let's go up to this lookout bit here. Just stopped for a drink, didn't we, Sydney? Had a little drink, haven't we? And some chucky, and then get us some orange.
An orange.
Here you go, baby. Oh no, but I got you an orange.
Oh, no, careful.
Hey, where have you been?
He's hiding from you. Careful.
한참을 울었어.
nice little spot. Sun's out, blue skies. And have a nice picnic, aren't we, guys?
Oh yeah.
We are. Sydney's tucking into her milk already. Got a yummy milkshake from Nana's house.
Spilt it already.
And then we've got the pushchair that's no one's been in apart from all the picnic. Daddy's making the sandwiches, isn't he?
Where's the napkins?
Oh, they're in the pushchair. Just get them now. So we've just finished our lovely picnic. Maya's going mad because she had loads of little green flies all over her shoes. And now she thinks they're going to eat her feet. I've told her this, they're not. She's fine. Drama queen. Oh, Harry's looking a bit better there, aren't you? Your ankle.
Don't want to move my body.
So you might have seen in my last clip, we were still at Cannock Chase. My battery ran out, unfortunately. Car charger doesn't work. I don't know why. Yeah, so we're home now, aren't we, Sydney? Had a nice little drive home. Just going to watch some TV, see if there's a movie that we can watch. So just climbing up the window because you can see something. But we've had a lovely day, so I hope you enjoyed our little clips.